Hi friends, Debbie here from Southern Delight. Welcome to my channel. Delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart. Psalms 37:1. Special treat in store for you today. We're going to actually be assembling this wonderful Valentine's Day lollipop. So we'll go ahead and get started. That you're going to need two of these. You can pick these little bowls up. They're clear party bowls. You can get them at your local Dollar Trees. Our Dollar Tree was very limited in these supplies this year. I had to go to Michael's and actually purchase a couple of them. In party supply stores, you can get that there. You're going to need some shred and then some items to go in your basket. This one right here happens to be one that I'm doing for a tween. I've just added a couple of different little gift ideas in there. I have a teddy bear, cookies, some little makeup things, and then a little ring holder that's a heart, which is so cute and adorable. And then right here on top is just some jewelry. But we're going to go ahead and get this assembled. And now you're going to have to attach the bowl to the pole. Starting off, you're going to need to get some tubing. You can pick this tubing up from different packing companies will carry it. You do not want to use your regular wrapping paper tubing because it's too flimsy. This tubing is sturdier, it's thick, it has a lot of cardboard in it, and it does have a lot of thickness in it, so it's very sturdy and can support the weight of your basket once you get it assembled. Okay, I'm going to take the pole that I have taken and wrapped the ribbon around the pole, and now I'm getting ready to hot glue it to a bowl. I flip the bowl over, and I'm going to be using, you can use some Easy 6000, some other type of glue, but I'm also using my glue gun, and we're going to secure it tightly on the bottom of this. I knew this old antique jug would come in handy for something. But I'm going to place it in there. I've added some shred to the bottom, and now I'm going to start decorating with all of my Valentine's Day goodies. We're going to put them in there, and then I'm going to show you how to put this sucker together. Decorate it just like I would any other gift basket. I've added a plush toy, a balloon, some chocolates. I think I've got some heart cookies in there. You can decorate it any way you'd like. This one's going to be for a man. And I'm going to go ahead and place the top on it. Okay, and now I've got it nicely secured, and it's starting to look like a sucker. Once you've got the bowls placed on top of each other, take some clear packing tape and then just put it on the sides of it. Secure it in place, and then get out your plastic shrink wrap bags. I'm just using these bags that I happened to pick up from one of the Dollar Tree stores. Just these little basket bags. The shrink wrap ones work the best if you can find them. They are getting a little bit more difficult to find. And then for the last step, just take you some ribbon and tie it around it and make a bow. And then in this case, I would also like to invite you to check out my blog that I've just recently started. It's called Southern Delight Living, Livin'. There I share a lot of my DIY crafts. I also share recipes and short stories. So I hope you'll just hop on over there and check that out as well. And then also, if you like what you're seeing on these channels, hit that subscribe button. I have plenty more on the way.